So you want to start streaming on Kick, but you don't even know where to start. Well, this video is going to help you with that. Now, keep in mind, everything is in very beta condition right now. Things may change, but at this point, at this time of recording, this is the most easy way to get to streaming on Kick. So, check it out. All right, what is going on, everybody? I am obviously Lil Diznick, and today we're going to be talking about how to start streaming on Kick. Now, why would you want to start streaming on Kick? Well, in my experience, I've been on here for about a couple of weeks now. Kick is the best. I mean, you're going to get a lot more viewership. You're going to get a lot more discoverability than you would on Twitch, and there are a lot of reasons for that, which are all for another video. But this one in particular is how you would start getting, or how you would get started streaming on Kick. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to sign up right here, and you would sign up with a Google account. And let's see, we'll just do, I think I've already got one set up for this, which whenever you do this, it will obviously ask you for a username in the middle of the screen. All you do is all lowercase, put out your username, no spaces, anything like that. Just a lowercase username, and it will bring you to this channel or to this page here and create all your stuff. We're going to be using we're going to do the first part of this in regular OBS, second part in Streamlabs OBS. The processes are nearly identical, but we'll do it for both just because people sometimes like that. So, all right, so let's go into OBS here. Now, to be able to stream onto Kick, we're going to have to go into our settings, and where you would normally in your stream deal here have, Twitch, YouTube, anything like that, we're going to be doing a custom. And then you're going to go into your creator dashboard over here and go down to settings and stream key. Now, this is the stream URL right here is going to be the part that you put into your server part right here. So we'll just paste that into there. And then your stream key right here, you'll just copy that and also throw that into your OBS and your stream key spot. Now, it is very, very, very important that you don't share this stream key or show this stream key or anything like that to anybody. If you show that stream key to them, anybody can stream to your channel. So it's very important to keep that secret. So we're going to hit apply on that there. And it looks like we are good there. Freaking Adobe. Anyway, hold on. Let's close down a bunch of stuff here that might give us stupid little notifications. All right. Yeah. So we got our stream key set in there. So now we are set to stream. And you might be asking, hey, Nick, how do we set it up so that we have our stream chat in here on our stream? Well, that is very simple. We're going to go to this little deal here. Actually, let's go ahead and we're going to create a browser source. Let's see here. There we go. Create a browser source. We'll name it chat. You can name it whatever you want. Actually, you know what? We'll name it Kick Chat. Kick Chat too, so I know which one to delete. Anyways, so we're going to hit OK on that. And for the URL, I will show you here. It's going to be, and I'll put this down in the description also, this URL. But for Kick Chat 2, it will be widgets.kickalerts.live/lit-widgets/chatbot and then / your username. So this one would be example DizNick. Okay. So now we're going to close that off there. And now if we look, if we go into our stream here, we can actually go into our chat and type in, actually, you know what, let's move this up here so the OBS always stays visible. We can type test in there, and you can see that it shows up test right there in our chat. Now at this point right now, there is a way to do it with LiveBot, but LiveBot is extremely beta also, and I'm gonna have to wait until they get some things fixed with that as far as the verification and the tie-ins for the chat and all like that before I do a tutorial on how to do that. But for the time being right now, this is how you're going to do it. So we got our deals in there, and then we want to test our settings out here. So let's go back into this here. This is your creator dashboard. It's where you're going to edit your stream info. You're going to have to do that in here instead of doing that in OBS itself. So let's do test stream. And we won't even search for a category or anything like that, but you can put like IRL or just chatting, whatever. Whatever you're doing there. You can choose to make it to 18 plus, all that good stuff. So you're going to save that. And then you'll see here for help getting started with your live stream connection, click here. It's going to take you to this beautiful PDF here that's going to actually help you with some of your stream settings, like as far as for your quality and things like that. So I would suggest taking a look at that and copy those settings there. But for right now, crap, hang on. Dang it. Okay. So, but for right now, we're just going to kind of test this out. And we're going to hit start streaming here. And you're going to see, let's turn our screen capture on so y'all can actually see, but it's to go show that we're live and we are actually rocking and rolling. So that is awesome. That is awesome. Let's go ahead and stop our stream. And then after that, it'll pop up an offline banner for like 2 minutes, and then we'll be good to go there, man. So yeah, let's turn that screen capture back off because that is annoying. But that is how you get started streaming on Kick with OBS, and you also get your browser source. Like I said, I will add in the link that you need to use for your browser source down in the description down below. And all that good stuff. But yeah, so that's for OBS. Part 2 is going to be for Streamlabs OBS. Woo. All right, everybody, as promised, this is how you're going to do it in Streamlabs OBS. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to go into our settings here. And we're going to start with, in your general, you're going to wait to make sure that confirm stream title and game before going live is turned off, because it's going to do you no good to send that data to Kick, because you can't do it with their API. You have to actually do it directly through their dashboard to edit your stream info in there. So make sure that is disabled. Then we're going to go over into stream here, and let's go ahead and delete that. We're going to add a destination. We're going to call this Kick, and we're going to make now for our URL, we're going to go into the settings here on Kick, and we're going to go into stream key, and we're going to copy this URL right here by clicking on the 2 boxes. Go back over here, Control V to paste that, and then we're going to go back to this channel, or to this page here. We're going to copy our stream key. Now, if you skipped past the regular OBS part, then I'm going to tell you this again. Do not share this stream key with anyone. If you share this stream key with anyone, they can stream to your channel. They can stream anything they want to your channel and get you all kinds of banned. So make sure to keep that secret. So we're going to Control V that there, and we're going to save that, and boom, just like that, we are on Kick. All right. So let's see here. We're also going to want to log out if you're logged into Twitch, because then it's automatically going to stream to Twitch. Unless you want to stream to Twitch and Kick at the same time, then how you would do that is we're going to go into OBS here. We're going to hit Go Live. Oop. End stream. All right. Also, heads up, if you're wanting to stream to both Twitch and there, confirm that stream title and all that beforehand, and then we're going to go live, then that's where we're going to choose Twitch and Kick. But yeah, so like I said, if you're just gonna do Kick, just disable the confirm stream thing. If you're gonna do both Twitch and Kick, keep it enabled. And yeah, so you'll be able to do them both there, and then you'll confirm and go live. What we're going to do right now is we're going to log out of Twitch. That way we just go live on Kick. And let's go. Okay, so it doesn't even give us that if we're not logged in. So cool. Alrighty. So we're going to go live here. And let's mute that so we don't get double nick right there, right? We're going to go live. What? Hold on. All right. Well, we'll just have to make it all over again since we've logged out. Not a big deal. We're learning together, right? So we're going to Control V that, and we're going to copy that, Control V that, and we're going to call this, I guess it'll just be custom streaming server, whatever. So now we're going to go live. And we're going to go on to our Kick dashboard here. And we're going to see that, hopefully here in a second, it's going to start streaming to there. Sometimes it takes a couple of seconds. There we go. Boom. We're streaming. Just to show that we're streaming, we will do, I don't know, that. We'll just stream ourselves on our dashboard. But that's, as you can see, streaming straight to there. But it is kind of cool that on Streamlabs desktop, if you have the Streamlabs Ultra, then you can do it to Kick and Twitch and actually start maybe getting your people to go over to Kick from Twitch, because F Twitch. You know what I mean? But whenever we're done, we'll just hit end stream there. It'll take a couple of seconds because there is a couple of second delay. And it'll show this channel is currently offline banner on your channel for like 2 minutes. And then that'll go away. But that is how you do it on Streamlabs for getting set up on your Twitch there. Now, if you're wanting to get your chat set up, then what we're going to do is we're going to, in this example scene right here, just add a browser source. Where is it at? Just gotta find it. That browser source. Boom. All right. And we're going to add a new source instead. We're going to call this Kick Chat. You can call it whatever you want. I call it Kick Chat. And then once again, if you skip past the OBS part, then I will have this URL down in here, but it's going to be exactly this URL here. And instead of /Lil Diznick, it'll be your username. And I'll just have like your username down there, so it'll make it a lot easier to see which one you need to change. But we'll put in example Diznick in here. We're gonna make this 500 by 800, whatever. Okay, so we're gonna put that there, move that over to the side, just because it looks pretty. Now, if you go in here to your stream to try to, hold on, let's refresh that page. It says we're still streaming. Anyway, that's because okay, anyways. You will see, if I try to send a message here, it's going to work. Now, if it doesn't, if you just get a black screen here and it doesn't do anything, just pop off that scene real quick, pop back in, and it should refresh it to where it'll actually work and all that good stuff. But you'll be able to see again. It'll pop in that right there. Now there is a lot smoother and slicker and prettier way to do it using livebot.app, but it's very beta right now and it's not working at the moment. So this is the most tried and true way. If you're needing chat in your stream, then this is the most tried and true way to do that. But I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and if you did, make sure to throw down a like and a follow, subscribe, whatever. And make sure to follow me over on Kick too, man. I'd love to see you guys over there. But until the next time, I'll see you guys. Peace.